Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make some chaotic text like you see in the thumbnail of this video. So let's jump right into it. So let's write the word chaotic. We're gonna make it pretty big. What we want to do next is already add a gradient map. This so we can see step by step how our text changes and the colors that come out of it. So let's go to the adjustments tab, click on gradient map, click on this gradient, and let's add a gradient. I'm gonna use this gradient that I made. So the colors on this side are gonna affect the lightest part of your design, and the colors on this other side instead are going to be the darkest parts. So since we have black on the shadow side and white on the highlight side, we're still not going to be able to see our gradient, but we'll see it pop out once we start blurring and adding effects on our text. So I'm going to start by pressing S on my keyboard, which will bring up the smudge tool. Otherwise, you can find it over here. And I'm just going to click once on my text. The window to rasterize my type will pop up, and just press OK. You can adjust your smudge tool size just as you would your brush. And then you just click and wiggle it up and down, left and right. And as you can see, our gradient colors are going to start to come out. What I like to do next is not only work on one layer. What I usually do is I just duplicate my layer and then work on the bottom one and maybe add some more filters, some blur filters. So let's add a Gaussian blur first and play around with the size of it. I'm going to press OK with 30. I'll then duplicate my top copy again, and this time we're going to add maybe some radial blur. I'm gonna go with a zoom effect instead of a spin effect, and we'll see how that looks. Now that looks pretty cool. You can basically keep building up your layers till you get the effect you want. I'm feeling pretty happy with this. You can also use the filter and liquify tool instead of the blur tools or the smudge tools, but smudge tool is definitely my favorite one. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe if you liked my content, and also comment some tutorial ideas or suggestions if you have some. Also, go check out my Instagram and the links in my bio for my gradient map packs and texture packs and all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!